third game of the tournament, but your first loss. So, what's your feeling after the game?
Feeling not so well, but the Finn was strong today, very strong and without any mistakes. It's happened 2 times a year. So we play a lot against Finn. They know us, we know them, and today they was a little bit lucky than we are.
Finns probably are the most successful team against your birth year. So I know that you play against them many times, but still, do you think that Finns probably know how to play against
Of
Russia?
course, no, of course. They know, they preparing, they're in a good shape in this tournament. So something wrong was our offensive players was today. They not put in a game or 100%, just like a 50.
You mentioned it after all 3 games. So how are you going to fix it during the day off? I mean, to be well prepared for semifinals.
We know our mistakes, videos and practice and day offs. It will be. We will clear what's going on and try to put them up from the knees, because I know they feel very bad right now. I saw the eyes, the guys, but I mean, it's a good experience for them. They young players, and in the future they should be in this situation and should find how to find the way from this situation and prepare for the next game.
Before the tournament, you told me that you would love to play against Canada. You are going to play against Canada in the semi-final game. So
for us, the best at the final. But anyway, we lucky we play against Canada. We play against, I think, the most. I mean, one of the best team, because I think they put the best players in Canada in this tournament. We're lucky. So anyway, thanks God for this situation.
Canada, Russia, there's always a rivalry between those 2 countries, so probably you don't have to motivate the players for this.
I don't think. We just need to prepare to be in a good physical.